a laundromat somewhere around here. Maybe it's this place. Oh, hey guys! Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we're actually here, not at a laundromat, we're actually at the Chicago Magic Lounge. That is right, this here is a magical theater that takes you from a laundromat into the Chicago Magic Lounge. Alright guys, so check it out. So we're here at the Magic Lounge, and overall it's an immersive experience. The moment you step in, you're literally transformed from a laundromat into an immersive bar slash restaurant slash theater venue. Now today we'll be seeing exactly what it's all about, including a variety of different shows, as well as getting a sneak peek behind the scenes with the CEO. And while you're waiting, you can go ahead and take a seat at the bar, which they actually have magic close-up for you as you're waiting for your seats. Now you can go ahead and just come in, you don't even have to go inside the actual show itself, but if you guys want to check it out, you can check out the link down below in the description. Now let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Alright guys, so check it out. So we actually have the CEO with us. Thank you for having us.
Absolutely, thanks for coming in.
Yeah, no, overall I have to say it was an amazing experience. Can you kind of give us a little bit of information about the whole venue itself and how it started?
Chicago style magic is a little piece of history in Chicago. I'm a huge historian of Chicago facts. I love the stories of the fire and the World's Fair, but the little nuanced history that nobody really knows about is my favorite. And I discovered that there was a history of close-up magic, bar magic, restaurant magic, personal sit-down-at-your-table magic that came from Chicago around 1915 in a little bar called Shulian's. And you can go anywhere all over the world and see restaurant magic, see bar magic. There are places built for bar magic, but it was such a cool thing to find out it started here.
Wow. So, I mean, I actually was born and raised in Chicago, so seeing that is actually really cool.
Were you born and raised in 1915?
No, I was not. But I have to say, overall, it was an absolute delight. I mean, this place is top-notch.
When we first opened, we thought it was the coolest thing to really go back in time to where the closer the magic, the better.
Of course.
Right under your nose. And now, that's not the easiest thing to pull off, right? So since we've been reopened, we did some work in the closure. We were closed for 504 days, but I'm not counting. We took that time to do some upgrades to the facilities. We upgraded our HVAC system. We put in some filters, but more importantly, we put in ionizers in our air. So every hour, the air is circulated in here, and it's brand new, fresh air, and it's just gorgeous. We have followed all the guidelines of the KN95s, if we can get those, and we do. And so we have those. We mandate every employee is vaccinated and boosted, and then we check for the CDC recommended vaccines at the door as well. And then you're masked if you're eating or drinking, which we are currently not, but we have made an agreement with the two of us, so that we could just have a nice talk.
All right. Well, yeah, there you guys have it. So thank you again for having us. And you guys want to check out the link down below in the description. It's right there. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.